Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a super common question: does Bluehost charge monthly, or do you have to pay for everything all at once? If thinking about signing up for Bluehost, this is definitely something you'll want to know before pulling out your credit card. Before we get started, I provide a link in the description below to Bluehost, which will get you an exclusive Bluehost discount. You will get up to 80% off Bluehost hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure: the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. So does Bluehost charge monthly? The quick answer is yes. Bluehost does have a true month-to-month option, but it's not as cheap as the prices you usually see advertised. The super low prices, like $1.99 a month, only apply if you prepay for 36 months upfront. So technically, Bluehost offers both monthly billing and pay upfront plans. When you go to sign up, Bluehost will show you different plan lengths. For example, 1 month plan, you can pay month to month, but the price is higher and you don't get extras like the free domain. The monthly term will cost you $15.99 a month on the starter plan. The business plan will cost you $27.99 a month on a monthly term. The e-commerce essentials plan will cost you $24.99 a month on a monthly term. 12-month plan, you pay for the whole year up front at a much lower monthly breakdown of $2.99 a month on the starter plan. 36-month plan, prepay 3 years, and that locks in the lowest rate available at $1.99 a month on the starter plan. So while monthly is possible, most people go with at least 12 months because it ends up saving a lot of money overall. Bluehost advertises those cheap monthly rates because they're spreading the cost of a long-term plan over the months. But when you pick the true month-to-month plan, you're not locking in a deal, so the price jumps way up. Think of it like buying one movie ticket versus getting a discount for a yearly pass. Another thing to keep in mind, no matter which plan you choose, Bluehost renews at the regular price once your first term ends. So if you want the maximum savings, choosing the longest plan upfront is usually the best move. So to answer the question, Bluehost does offer monthly payments, but the best value comes when you pay annually or longer. Now you know exactly what to expect. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more hosting tips, and check the link in the description for the latest Bluehost deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.